Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about whether or not the bears will be able to smack down Cronos and the crypto markets this September. We are currently in the month of September, but we've been holding strong as the new week starts tomorrow after this Labor Day weekend. When these markets open, there could be some big moves one way or the other. We're going to talk about what we think is going to happen, what you might expect this month and through the end of the year for Cronos and crypto overall. Without further ado, let's hop onto the content, but make sure you smash that like and subscribe to the channel. Let's just take a peek here at the charts. Good news of the day, we were above $1 trillion market cap here recently, so that was pretty fantastic to see. Bitcoin was above $20,000 just a few moments ago. It is currently Monday night. And Ethereum is above 1,600 again. It was just up 5% a few moments ago. It's kind of retracing a little bit down right now, which is no big deal. Looking at Cronos, looking at FTX, again, those are up just a touch, but we're kind of hanging on. And what will happen? Will these bears come out and smack down the price of crypto? Well, in order to answer that, we got to look historically, first of all, and see, well, traditionally, you look at all the Septembers in the history of Bitcoin, and you look at the monthly returns. And since 2013, we've had 7 bearish Septembers. One of them down 20%, another down 13%. The rest, not so bad at 7 or 5%. A lot of people are talking about a $10,000 Bitcoin. They're talking about even an $8,000 or $6,000 Bitcoin, which is a little bit spooky to hear. But can that actually happen? Well, you know, look, 20% downside in the worst September for crypto? No, I mean, so it wouldn't happen in September. Could it get down to those levels? It certainly could, right? That's a resistance. But what do I think is going to happen here, well, this September? Well, let's just take a peek right here real quick. So one thing I want to know, we are on the verge of the merge. This is very, very important for crypto overall. Ethereum is coming up with its merge, where they're moving on their way to transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake towards Ethereum 2.0, where it's going to take up a lot less energy consumption, and Ethereum is going to take one more step in the direction, become the internet of money, right? The internet, the future internet, basically, right? Web 3. That's why, you know, people are getting so excited, and this has been driving up the prices leading to this point. Now, granted, in the last few weeks, we've been a little stuck, but there was a pump from like 19,000 to 24,000 over the last month that people were getting excited. Why did that happen? Mostly because of the Ethereum merge excitement. Also, we were due for a little bit of a retracement back upward after a lot of downward action, right? We had a lot of downward movement. We've been in a bear market, so we needed a little retracement up. In the next 8 days, we still could see, in my opinion, upward motion. I do believe that because a lot of people, maybe you've heard this term, maybe you haven't, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? The rumor is Ethereum's going to be so much better, so much. Now, that's not necessarily a rumor. Ethereum will be better, but it's a saying, right? So buy the rumor, Ethereum's going to be better, the upgrade's coming, this news is about to come, the news is coming, the rumor, people are talking about it, and then the news, it happens, sell the news. And then usually it's like pump, 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 sell the news, and then there's a crash. So that could happen in the next 8 days and 7 hours, giving us that potential bearish September, potentially, right? Well, here's another thing to note. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index was up quite a bit last month, right? So last month we were up to 30. At one point, I think we were up into the high 30s here when we went from 19,000 to 24,000, right? But now we're back down to 22. So as this starts to go lower, right, people are getting more scared. So that's something to keep an eye on as well. But as that gets lower, your buying power gets stronger. So keep that in mind. If you're trying to DCA, that's something to think about. Another thing I want to note is people are talking about, like, this is that buy the rumor, selling it, right? This is the rumor, guys. So you're going to see these stories start to come out. You're going to start seeing on CNBC and other publications, people are going to start getting very, very, very excited about this. The big moment is coming for Ethereum, and people are saying that it's going to take Ethereum to the next level. Well, what does this mean for Cronos? Well, Cronos is a competitor to Ethereum. It does similar things. It's got its own smart contract platform. People are building dApps on it. When you look at DeFi Llama and you see the other projects that are similar, right? The top 10 projects, Cronos is right there. So if Ethereum's doing well, Cronos should be doing well. If Ethereum's not doing well, then Cronos shouldn't be doing well. So what does that mean for us? Well, here's the deal, guys. If Ethereum does do a buy the rumor, sell the news event, then we can expect a pump in the next 8 days or so, right? If it sticks true to that buy the rumor, sell the news. Then afterwards, about halfway through September, right around the 14th, the 12th, right? We would expect then Ethereum to crash, right? Sell the news. That means that Cronos should crash too. But guys, if we crash, what are we thinking about? We talk about it every single day. We are taking advantage of the opportunity to buy the dip. This is an opportunity for accumulation. If you wanted to buy more Bitcoin and it was $69,000 and you're like, oh, I missed out. Well, it's at $20,000 right now. Now's your chance. If you wanted Cronos coin when it was at 50, 60, 70 cents and you're like, oh, I missed out. Well, it's at it's at 12 cents right now. Now's your chance. And if this Ethereum buy the rumor, sell the news event happens, then you might get a 6-cent CRO. You might get a 9-cent CRO, maybe even a 4-cent CRO. You might see an $8,000 Bitcoin. Do we want to see that? No, not really. No, none of us really want to see that. But if we do see it, we have to start thinking from the mindset as, man, what a great opportunity for me to get more coins at a great price. Because at the end of the day, if you're in crypto, you should be in it with a couple things in mind. 1, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. 2, you better buy something that you believe in and you've done your research on. 3, we're in this thing for the long haul and we are not just trading willy-nilly, right? Trading's okay. If you want to trade, by the way, I can get you set up with a link for Femex in the description down below. You can get up to $4,100 when you do open up a trade. So no problems there. You can do that. But we're here for the long term. We believe in the long-term vision for these projects. So as the lower the price goes, the happier we can be. Bring it on, bears. If the bears come at us here this September, which, you know what? It's possible, right? We've seen a 20% retracement like I just showed you in a previous September. Bring it on. So bears or no bears, I'm staying right here. I'm DCing and I'm hodling and I'm staying true. I love Crypto.com. I love Cronos. I love exchange tokens, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let me know what your favorite coins are in the chat down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on September. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? Tell me why. That's all I got in today's video. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I am Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you do subscribe because we are on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one of you out there, one of you lucky subscribers. So make sure you check that out. That's all I got, guys. Have a great night, and we will see you tomorrow. Peace.